Hi, I'm Roger Duffee with MarineMax Sail and Ski. Please join me for a tour of this beautiful 2006 Sea Ray 38 Sundancer. Let's step aboard. One of the things I love about the 38 Sundancer is this center walkthrough. You've got storage on either side for the transom, but you walk through right here, and this splits up the seating a little bit so you can have people seated comfortably on both sides of the cockpit. A lot of the similar models only have seating on the starboard side, so if you got somebody wanting to get up or down, they're more likely to have somebody move. And also, they're tucked in behind the captain there, and so it's hard to carry on a conversation. I really like these seats that are on the port side. This boat's equipped with a cockpit TV. But who the heck watches TV when they're on a boat? Let's have a look at the helm. Starting over here, we have rudder indicators, which makes it easier to tell which way your rudders are pointed. It's got the Mercruiser vessel view. That's all working properly, and the screen's bright. This boat's got 219 hours on the engines, which is very low. We have an Raymarine E120W, so this is newer than the original age of the boat and much more modern. It's a hybrid touch, so really a cool setup for this boat. Here's what one of the things that everybody's looking for is make sure these boats have a bow thruster. Makes them a lot easier to park. Here's a quick engine compartment tour of this 2006 Sea Ray 38 Sundancer. The generator's in a sound box, so that makes it nice and quiet. And let's look in and see how many hours are on the generator here. What does that say? 553. So real low hours in the generator. One of the things I've really grown to appreciate about Sea Rays is, see this over here? That's the freshwater manifold. Each circuit for the freshwater is on an individual line there. So if you spring a leak somewhere, you can turn it off there without having to shut down the whole water system. There's really no other boat manufacturer that's doing anything like that. And it just makes me appreciate the quality and thought of design that goes into a Sea Ray. This Sea Ray 38 Sundancer has Mercruiser 8.1 Horizon V-drives. These are closed cooled, so they're good in salt water because of the closed cooling system. This boat has never been in salt water. It's a freshwater only boat that's only been in Lake Travis. And it's always been kept in a covered slip like this. So the upholstery and everything still looks like brand new, which is very unique for a 14-year-old boat. Check out the master stateroom. Got a really comfortable bed. This is the first boat size-wise in the Sea Ray line where you get an inner spring mattress, TV, some good storage, hanging locker here. Another really nice thing about the 38 Sundancer is this boat has its own shower that's separate from the head compartment. The head compartment's accessible from the salon or from the master. Here's a good view looking back. Love those teak stairs that head up to the cockpit. Another thing I love about the layout of this boat is the separate refrigerator and freezer. And then I love the counter space right here. So when you're entertaining, you can set items on the counter, getting ready to make it easy to pass them up into the cockpit. Another thing to love about the 38 Sundancer salon and cabin design is this pocket door. When you want privacy for the forward stateroom, for whatever reason, somebody in there taking a nap or changing clothes or whatever, it can be closed off completely. And then if you want to open the salon up, just open the pocket door that's completely out of the way. It gives the boat a much more open feel in here. Speaking of open feel, I also love the way that Sea Ray made the windows in the side of the cabin much bigger. It lets a lot of natural light in here. Check out the mid berth real quick. Right now it's set up as a conversation area with a little TV, but the bottom cushion can extend forward, and then some other cushions fill in and make this comfortable sleeping for 2 people. Let's walk the sides of the boat. It's looking good. There's a little fading right here at the front, and the bottom definitely is probably due for a thorough cleaning and probably a new coat of bottom paint. There's a couple little tiny small scratches right there. I would say from these windows back, boat is super shiny where it's always been undercover. There's also a very small nick right down here, but overall very clean and solid. Doesn't have the normal corner dings that I'm used to seeing. Let's walk this side, port side here. Also shiny, looks nice. Got a remote spotlight, electric anchor windlass. This has the all-chain upgrade. It's got JL audio speakers up here on the front for your bow listening pleasure. I hope you find these walkthroughs to be helpful. If you need any additional information, please call me, Roger Duffee, at 512-750-8169. We'll see you on the water.